Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you guys can see, Dr. Ross and I are sprucing it up. Let's get straight into our hot topics for today, shall we, Dr. Ross?
So for our first topic in the Bible, we have Tekashi 6ix9ine robbed at gunpoint in Los Angeles.
First of all, 6ix9ine, sit your gooba self down. You need to stop, because you already know, after you go out there saying all the bad things about the gangs and all the other rappers, you already know some beef and some shenanigans is going to start going down and start happening.
Oh my god!
Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So Machine Gun Kelly, sorry, I can't even pronounce his name correctly, but Longneck reveals that girlfriend Megan Fox may be the one. Apparently they're revealing that their relationship is getting way more serious than they intended it to be.
Dr. Ross, the reason why she may be the one is because she may be the one, the only girl that's actually picked him.
Tell you what, I'm gonna give you about 48 hours.
Because most likely, he's went around trying to buy girls most of this time.
Doing the people. What? Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Because what girl is gonna go and say, oh, the long neck guy is my favorite guy? She's probably just with him for the clout and to get into more music videos and into the music industry.
All women are queens! If she breathes, she's a god!
The only thing I want to say about this is, one, Megan Fox, don't do music ever again, and two, maybe this is the first girl that he got the most scandalous out of the bunch, left her husband and her kids just for him and his silliness, whatever they're doing in the mirror, and that's a win right there. Let's get on to our next hot topic. We have Teresa and another scandalous one, flaunts her muscular abs during an outdoor workout at the lake after ex-Joe revealed that he's going to be on the new Bachelorette.
How many times has she done this now, Dr. Ross? She's done this about 5,000 times now. So keep doing you, Miss Goodice. And to Joe, game on, Joe. First of all, you are very clever. You have obviously went out and did your own thing to turn the tables back around into your favor. So Joe, keep doing you. Obviously, you're trying to punch the Teresa in the stomach, trying to get one back at her. Full fast one.
I guess it
Joe,
really is a battle against the Goodices, because remember Black King Sebastian, first he brought out strippers dancing on him, and then Teresa hit him with, you know what, I'm going back with my high school sweetheart who was built, and then now Joe is going to be the bachelor, and he's going to have tons of girls, so now we're just going to have to wait for what Teresa Goodice's cards are.
Obviously, he listened to our advice. So the rest of you sapsuckers, the Austin Green and the Brad Pitt, you need to listen and follow in our footsteps as well as Joe's. Keep doing you. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
Before we go into our next hot topic, the only one I want to say about going back to Longneck, we're sorry to keep bullying you, Longneck, because this might make you cry, but we just want to say this is the first girl that you've had that you haven't had to chase after that's actually chasing you, that's worth something. What was the last girl that you had that actually people wanted?
Noah Cyrus? Who wants her?
Step your game up.
That's right. Let's move into our next and final hot topic for today.
So, speaking about scandalous, because we just have scandalous all in the hot topics, but Kelly Ripa's teenage daughter, she's still in high school, she stuns in a bikini pic in the mirror, and everyone has questions for Kelly Ripa and how she's raising her daughter.
Obviously, Dr. Ross.
Chest was falling out, everything.
That's right, Dr. Ross. The second I heard Kelly and the daughter, I knew that some scandalous was going to be in this hot topic. Because, first of all, Kelly Ripa is probably teaching the daughter her scandalous ways and how to get the cashola out of every figure you meet.
Exactly.
Because, as you know, both of those scandalous bitches are looking for the money and always looking for another figure.
The only thing is,
That's for you. Keep playing, player.
Exactly.
Don't hate the game and don't hate the player. Let's move into our horoscopes for today. This month's horoscope is Leo, the Lions.
Exactly.
Obviously, as we said last time, you guys are going to be coming into an abundance of money, wealth, and power, as well as new friends and someone you might like but you never knew. Do you, Leos? And for all the Leos who have a birthday today, happy birthday and congratulations. That's for you.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. And on a sidebar before we end off the Rose and Gold with Beyonce's Black is King. What was that again? Black King? That's for you, Beyonce. We'd love to do another film with you because we see you're merging into the Marvel and the Disney.
Exactly.
But the bat signal. That's for you, Beyonce and Kylie Jenner. This is my signal. Black King is out. Good night, bitches.